our work is focused on developing new genome sequencing technologies to study immune cells in patients. And in particular, we're focused on understanding the non-protein coding DNA in the genome and how the molecular switches in those areas of DNA impact the expression of genes. So the Michelson Prize will allow us to move into a new area of research for us, that of vaccinology, and use our genome sequencing tools that we've developed to study T cells in patients receiving vaccines and to understand why some patients respond well and some patients don't respond well to the same vaccine. I'm really inspired by science that takes advantage of the strengths of many different fields of scientific investigation. For example, science that combines expertise from fields of genomics or computer science or engineering to really pursue questions that are directly relevant to patient care and patient disease. My postdoctoral mentor is Dr. Howard Chang, who is an expert in genomics and developing genomic technologies. Howard has really been instrumental in my development as a scientist. One, because he's allowed me to go into this new area of genomics for me. So I was trained as a basic immunologist, and Howard really allowed me to come into the lab and pursue new ideas that I didn't have prior expertise in.
Dr. Satpathy and I began working together really almost by coincidence. Dr. Satpathy was interviewing for a residency position at Stanford, and he contacted me to meet to talk about research in my group. And we both found our backgrounds match pretty well, and we have a common interest, and that's how we started working together. The value and impact of Dr. Satpathy's work is in bringing molecular insight to the phenomenon of the immune response and also efforts to program the immune response towards therapeutic ends, for example, for vaccination. We know a lot of different important things that change in the immune system, but we don't know why. Dr. Satpathy's research allows us to look into individual cells that form the basis of the immune memory. I believe the Michelson Prize will have a great impact on Dr. Satpathy's work. It's very challenging for a young investigator to get their first award and establish their independent claim and recognition in the field. So the Michelson Prize comes at a really important junction in his career to allow him to really run with his most creative ideas and take some bigger risks.